Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to our lecturers, this Miss Eva Nurmayasari MPD, who give me opportunity to be here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Syifa Fauziah and I'm from 4A class. In this opportunity, I would like to present an article that the title is the utility of the metacognition awareness eventually for teachers among service teachers. This article worked by Kelly Virta, Main Kalio, Forja Virta, Pin Rudolph, Harsh Delman, and Justin. The next, in my presentation, I will focus on 6 major issues. First, background of study. Second, review of related literature. Third, theoretical framework. Fourth, research design. Fifth, result, and the last, conclusion. Next, we are going background of study. This is the research this article. The first MAIT has been explored with inventories to a limited extent. Second, the MAIT 18 ensuring the metacognitive in service teacher. And the third, this topic is knowledge of teacher awareness of metacognition to support student self-regulation. And this is present study the utility of the inventory was examined by concluding internal consistency and the fit of the factor structure mentioned in the first related to reliability, the leader might find the validity of the instrument. Next slide, we are going the theoretical, we are going review of related literature. According to Black Chicken Lee, 2011, the metacognitive awareness is one of the key elements needed in developing autonomy in learning and teaching. And according to Ghazali, Kajavi, and Mahjobi, 2015, use the MAIT and the teacher sense of self-efficacy scale in their study to investigate the predictability of the teacher training academic achievement based on their scores in self-efficacy and metacognition. And the next, we are going the theoretical framework. They are metacognition awareness, self-regulated learning, the metacognition awareness inventory for teachers. The first, metacognitive awareness. According to Scroll and Denison, metacognitive awareness enables a person to plan, sequence, and monitor his or her learning so that the improvements can be seen directly in performance. The second, the term awareness is a phenomenon which manifests itself in variation the way in which people experience situations and phenomena in their life and works. According to Flavel, 24 1977 divides metacognitive knowledge into three categories: knowledge of personal variable, text variable, and strategy variable. The second, self-regulated learning. According to Bandura, self-regulated is the ability to control our own behavior. The term metacognitive regulation of learning and self-regulation of learning have the same kind of the content. Okay, and the last, the metacognitive awareness inventory for teachers. According to Scrow and Denition, 1994, the metacognitive awareness inventory for teachers is based on self-regulated learning theory and it is derived from the metacognition awareness inventory for adults, MAI. The intention of the 24-item questionnaire was to confirm the theoretical extent of 8 subcomponents of metacognition: declarative knowledge, procedural knowledge, conditional knowledge, planning, information management strategies, monitoring, debugging strategies, and evaluation of learning. Next, we are going the research design. First, the analysis of data took place in two steps. First, the internal consistency and then the fit of factor structure of the inventory was explored. The second, the consistency of the factor structure was explored using cross-tabulation and calculating the percent correlation between the item in each factor. And third, the factor structure of the questionnaire was measured and tested using confirmatory factor analysis. And next, we are going the result. The first, internal consistency, and the second, confirmatory analysis, another fit of the factor structure. The analysis of the descriptive statistic and correlation in the internal consistency relevant that the data was too stable from the two-step exploring factor structure of the MAIT 18 using the CFA. The confirmatory factor analysis indicates convergence of each factor. Moreover, alpha score and the inventory signify that the inventory is internal consistent. These findings reveal the utility of the MAIT 18 in measuring the metacognitive awareness of in-service teachers. In the conclusion, the first, teacher benefit metacognition focus scientific inquiry in their first professional development. However, they also need to be supported in their metacognitive development. The MAIT 18 will enable the use of large samples in comparable studies international in different culture of learning and teaching. The third, the result of a future study applying MAIT 18 can be used in developing a teaching and learning culture in teaching training. Fourth, the utility, the metacognitive awareness inventory for teachers has been examined among in-service teachers as well comparative study between in-service teachers and teachers, trainees as well as longitudinal studies are prospective. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.